Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The best Alexapure Breeze Filter is probably one of the most essential components for maintaining the pristine air quality that your Alexapure Breeze air purifier is designed to deliver, ensuring that every breath you take is as clean and refreshing as possible, and it's crucial to replace it at the recommended intervals to keep your system running at peak performance and your home environment free from pollutants and allergens. Number 5. PUREBURG Replacement Filter Set for Alexapure Breeze. Introducing the PUREBURG Replacement Filter Set, designed to keep your air pure and clean. This set is compatible with your Alexapure Breeze air purifier. It features an H13 HEPA filter that captures up to 99.97% of tiny particles, including dust and pet dander. The activated carbon filter works to reduce odors and harmful chemicals. This filter set is specifically designed for the Alexapure Breeze air purifier, model 3049 AP, B102. Ensure a perfect fit for optimal performance. Enjoy fresher air by effectively removing PM 2.5 particles, smoke, VOCs, and common household odors. It helps maintain a clean and healthy environment for you and your family. For the best results, it's recommended to replace your filters regularly. A monthly gentle cleaning with a soft brush or vacuum can also help maintain its freshness and efficiency. We guarantee top-notch quality with every product. Each PUREBURG filter undergoes rigorous testing to ensure maximum customer satisfaction and reliable performance. What we like. This filter set offers robust H13 HEPA and activated carbon filtration. It's designed to capture tiny particles and reduce common household odors and VOCs. If you're looking for a reliable, high-quality replacement that tackles a wide range of air pollutants, this is a solid choice for maintaining a fresh living environment. What people say. The filter is easy to install and fits perfectly. It effectively removes odors and improves air quality. The filter lasts for a long time, providing great value. Number 4. PUREBURG Replacement Filter Set for Alexapure Breeze. Ensure your air purifier runs optimally with our high-quality replacement filter kit. It includes both a true HEPA filter and an activated carbon filter for comprehensive air cleaning. This filter set is designed for a perfect fit with the Alexapure Breeze Model 3049 AP, B102 air purifier. Enjoy seamless integration and effortless replacement. Our H13 True HEPA filter captures 99.97% of airborne particles down to 0.3 microns, including dust and PM 2.5. The activated carbon layer effectively reduces VOCs, smoke, and common household odors. For the freshest, cleanest air, we recommend replacing your filter regularly. A monthly check and cleaning can help maintain your machine's peak performance. Experience maximum customer satisfaction with our top-notch quality filters. Installation is quick and tool-free, taking just minutes. Remember to remove the new filter from its plastic bag before use. What we like. This option provides a true HEPA and activated carbon filter combination, effectively capturing 99.97% of fine particles and reducing odors. It's highlighted for its easy, tool-free installation. If you prioritize convenience and a quick, hassle-free filter change while ensuring excellent air purification, this set is ideal for you. What people say. It was easy to install because of the tags indicating the front. Perfect fit and replacement for the filters in my Alexapure 3049. It looks almost identical to the brand name replacement filters, although, weirdly, it's a bit larger. It still will fit inside your unit, but you do need to kind of force it a bit. No issues though. It seems to work great. Number 3. AP, B102 Replacement Filter Set for Alexapure Breeze. Ensure a perfect fit for your Alexapure Breeze air purifier with our AP, B102 Replacement Filter Set. Designed to seamlessly integrate, it's the ideal choice for your home and bedroom. Experience superior air quality with our upgraded carbon filters. They contain a greater abundance of activated carbon particles to absorb more odors while maintaining maximum airflow for higher efficiency and a longer lifespan. Our premium H13 HEPA filters effectively capture 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, including pollen. Stop worrying about airborne fine particles and breathe as fresh as you would in a forest. The pre-filter works diligently to capture larger particles and common odors like pet smells and dust. This protects the carbon and HEPA layers, significantly extending their service life. For optimal performance, we recommend changing the filters every 4 to 6 months. We are committed to quality from raw material sourcing to production. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. What we like. This filter set boasts an upgraded carbon filter with a honeycomb cold type for superior odor absorption and airflow. It also includes a pre-filter to capture larger particles, extending the life of the main filters. If you're particularly concerned about strong odors and want to maximize your air purifier's efficiency and lifespan, this enhanced filtration system is worth considering. What people say. Filter as well as name brand. Good quality. Installs easy. No smells. Functions perfectly. Works great. I don't notice the difference from this one and the previous more expensive ones I used to use. These HEPA and charcoal filters are like OEM but cheaper. Number 2. Nisreen AP B102 Replacement Filter Set. Experience cleaner air with our replacement filters. Designed to remove fine airborne particles, they help you breathe and sleep more comfortably. Our filters feature a premium activated carbon layer with a honeycomb design. This ensures effective and permanent removal of unwanted odors for a fresher environment. Get the same high quality as original parts but at nearly half the price. This value pack provides an economical solution for your year-round air purification needs. These filters are specifically designed to be compatible with the Alexapure Breeze Air Purifier, Model 3049 AP B102. Please confirm your model before purchasing. We prioritize product quality and your satisfaction. Timely replacement is key to maintaining your machine's performance, so you can buy with confidence. Each package contains 2 main filters and 2 activated carbon filters. This ensures comprehensive air purification for your home. What we like. This package offers 2 sets of replacement filters at a significantly lower price than the original, providing excellent value for money. It features a premium activated carbon filter with evenly distributed granular for effective odor removal. If you're looking for a budget-friendly way to ensure year-round air cleaning without compromising on quality, this multi-pack is a smart purchase. What people say. Filters work good. These last for 3 to 6 months depending on whether you have animals. Works super well. I run it for 6 hours every AM in the room used for kitty litter. It works very well. Filters last for months. Number 1. Flintar AP B102 Replacement Filter for Alexapure Breeze. Introducing the Flintar AP B102 Replacement Filter, designed specifically for your Alexapure Breeze Air Purifier. Ensure your home's air is clean and fresh with this essential component. This combo pack features a true HEPA filter, capturing 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns. It works to create a healthier environment for you and your loved ones. The activated carbon pre-filter effectively traps larger particles like dust and pet hair. It also absorbs common household odors from cooking, pets, and smoke, along with harmful VOCs. This filter set is compatible exclusively with Alexapure Breeze Air Purifier models 3049 and AP B102. Please ensure your model number matches for optimal performance. Replacing your filter is quick and easy, requiring no tools. For best results, we recommend replacing it every 6 months, depending on your usage and environment. We are confident in the quality of our product. Enjoy peace of mind with our 100% satisfaction guarantee on your purchase. What we like. This single combo pack provides H13 grade HEPA filtration and an activated carbon filter specifically for odor removal. It's designed to trap airborne particles and absorb common household odors, including those from pets, cooking, and VOCs. If you need a straightforward, effective solution for odor control and general air purification in a single, easy-to-replace unit, this filter is a great option. What people say. Fits good and does a great job at filtering the air. These were an exact fit for Alexapure Breeze Air Filter I own. This helps keep my office area tolerable, and I noticed a significant drop in having allergy issues when I started using it. This product seems to be as good as the original filters that came with my air purifier. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.